We believe that in-person visits foster a deeper understanding of TRT and help build a stronger relationship between you and your clinician, which is crucial for your success. If you're ready to take your TRT journey to the next level, be sure to explore the rest of our videos and resources. They're packed with insights and tips that can help you make the most out of your treatment. From in-depth discussions on specific strategies to practical advice on managing daily triggers, our content is designed to complement your in-person care and give you the tools you need to succeed. Don't stop here. Dive into our other materials and continue building your path to relief and a better quality of life.